fish? What the hell is that? It is a fish. Yes, sir. I couldn't tell if it was grass. It legitimately hit it as soon as it hit the water. And then it, heck, I'll take it, man. I'll take it. And there was no fight whatsoever. Ow. I see why. I got him in the gills, that's why. Man, he really, I can feel him fighting my hand. He really wants out of this hook. My surgical pliers here. There we go. Fish one. Okay, it makes me a little hopeful for the day. Maybe not all hope is lost because the water's staying. Fires me up, man.